Hi everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my studio and my channel. Today I am kicking off a video series about a new piece of furniture my boyfriend and I are building. It's a plywood storage wall. Let's go. The structure is pretty simple. It's a box with uprights and nailers to attach to the wall only, and then shelves between the uprights on top of the nailers. And then we use pocket hole joinery to hold most of the things together with a little extra bracing here and there. We're also going to put a set of cabinet doors on to keep everything contained at the end. We started by measuring and taping the area in the dining room where we were going to build this thing to kind of give us an idea of how it will break up our space, and we even decided to make it a little bit shorter in the end because we didn't like the tight space by the kitchen counter. After that, we could dimension out all of our plywood and make the cut list and start cutting. Now, we don't have a table saw or like a truck to easily get us to the nearest table saw with our plywood, so we're just making all of these cuts inside the house using the circular saw and our portable sawhorses. I used a website to optimize our cut lists to minimize waste, but that meant I was also cutting uprights at the same time as doors, and so I was labeling pieces and setting them aside before I ever had enough pieces to actually start putting up the nailers. When it came time to start installing, I started on the corner where it had to be flush with an existing corner, because no one's going to notice if it's off on the other end in the middle of the wall. This wall is made out of several layers of drywall with metal studs behind it, so these snap toggles were perfect for going all the way through, toggling open, and then sandwiching down to really provide a secure fit, and it's in studs in as many places as possible. I don't think this thing is going anywhere. The first shelf is a special one because it's for the cat to hang out. Mr. Jazzman likes to go up high. The new place doesn't have that many up high places, so we thought we'd make sure he has his own little cubby. So I used my jigsaw to cut out a hole that he could climb through in the shelf before sanding everything down and installing it. For now, he's just using boxes to get up there, but we're gonna make him a special cat ramp, don't you worry. Oh, okay, a little bit of a tight fit. Still working on it. I also used the jigsaw to cut out a shape at the bottom of each upright to accommodate for the baseboard molding. So he's got to building, and I've been cutting away, and everything's been really fun with the power tools. But then my boyfriend broke his ankle in January, and so that's been a little tough because I've gotten limited knee stuff, so I can't really climb ladders. The project was stalled for a little bit, but then last weekend a friend of ours came over and helped us with some ladder stuff, which got us to where we are right now, and now my boyfriend's ankle's feeling a little bit better. We think we can do a little bit more ladder work to get things going. So remaining to do is more cutting and sanding of parts, of course, installing those parts, making a ramp for the cat, and also doors, painting, final finishing, all that. So thank you so much for watching. It might be a few weeks before I revisit this project, but please join me next time. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Put out new videos every week about crafts, technology, and my life here in New York City.